Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers, I've got an American series A1100 lock given to me by Subsonic 51. Thank you very much. It's got serrated spools and serrated key pins inside, and oops, cameraman slanted there. It's not an easy lock to pick either. I'll be using one of the Peterson flat number 1 on Subsonic's home tension wrench, which is absolutely an ingenious idea because it fits in these American locks perfect. Absolute light tension, like almost nothing there. I'm looking for a fault set first. There, I've got a fault set. There, another fault set. I'll have to start again because I lost the fault set there. I've got it again. I get a couple of fault sets with this lock. Sometimes it gets picked and I don't even know that. There we go. Picked open. That's the American A1100 picked open. Thank you very much.